The Holy Quran miraculously abounds with scientific facts, despite the facts that Quran was revealed over 1400 years ago. The modern science has discovered recently that the places where two different seas meet, there is a barrier between them. This barrier divides the two seas so that each its own temperature, salinity and density. The example of this is where the Mediterranean Sea meets the Atlantic Ocean over the Gibraltar Seal. About this, Allah said in Holy Quran 1400 years ago, He has set free the two seas, meeting together, there is a barrier between them, and they do not transgress. Surah Ar-Rahman 19 and 20. The Mediterranean Sea water it's entered the Atlantic Ocean over the Gibraltar Seal with its own warm, saline and less dense characteristics because of this barrier that distinguishes between them. Also, there are large waves, strong currents and tide seas. They do not mix or transgress this barrier. When the Quran speaks about the divider between fresh and salt water, it mentions the extensions of the prohibiting partition with barrier. Allah Almighty has said one more place in Holy Quran, and it is the who has released the two seas, one fresh and sweet, one salty and bitter, and He placed between them a barrier and prohibiting partition. Surah Al-Furqan 53. The questions we are left to answer is how could this fact be so accurately mentioned in Holy Quran dating back over 1400 years ago. Also, it was the Prophet Muhammad, one illiterate man in Arabia, as doesn't know how to read or write, and Prophet Muhammad ever traveled in sea throughout his lifetime, how informed with the description of the scientific miracles and truth through the Holy Quran before 1400 years ago.